Be good person, don't do this. What is a sign that someone isn't a good person? There are several signs that someone may not be a good person. Here are a few. Dishonesty: if someone lies, cheats, or deceives others regularly, this is a sign that they may not be a good person. Dishonesty is a major character flaw that can cause harm to others and damage relationships. Lack of empathy: someone who is incapable of understanding or caring about the feelings of others may not be a good person. Empathy is an important trait for building healthy relationships and treating others with respect. Narcissism: a person who is self-centered and prioritizes their own needs above others may not be a good person. Narcissistic behavior can be harmful to others and can lead to a lack of empathy and concern for others. Manipulative behavior: someone who tries to control or manipulate others for their own gain may not be a good person. Manipulative behavior can be harmful to others and can damage relationships. Lack of accountability: a person who refuses to take responsibility for their actions or blames others for their mistakes may not be a good person. Accountability is an important trait for building trust and maintaining healthy relationships. Lack of respect: if someone consistently disrespects others, including their beliefs, values, and boundaries, this is a sign that they may not be a good person. Respect is an important part of healthy relationships and treating others with kindness and dignity.